Bookkeeping and accounting can be a hassle for any business. Not only can it be difficult to keep track of all your income and expenses, but it can be even more of a challenge to keep your books in order. That's why many business owners turn to accounting software to help them out. FreshBooks and QuickBooks are two top choices available today. Let's compare them to determine which one is the best fit for you. Right off the bat, when you log into FreshBooks, the simplicity captivates you. FreshBooks seems to understand that many of its users might be small business owners who don't have extensive accounting backgrounds. It's all about providing just the essentials on the screen, so users can jump in and get things done without a steep learning curve. For instance, if you're a business owner juggling several projects, FreshBooks dashboard makes it easy to view things like project profitability or billable hours right away. Everything looks straightforward, from setting up invoices to tracking expenses. On the other hand, QuickBooks, while full-featured, has a more detailed layout. When you first log in, you'll see a lot more options, which can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially for someone not deeply familiar with accounting. However, this detailed interface comes in handy if your business has complex financial needs. For example, small to medium-sized businesses requiring in-depth insights into inventory, payroll, or cash flow might appreciate this extra data. Plus, QuickBooks offers walkthroughs and tooltips, so users aren't left entirely in the dark. While it may take a bit longer to get comfortable with QuickBooks, the learning curve is worth it for businesses looking for more sophisticated accounting tools. For service-based professionals, FreshBooks delivers a complete invoicing system that's simple, yet packed with helpful features. With FreshBooks, invoicing goes beyond just sending a bill. It lets users create unlimited customized invoices on all plans, which is a plus for small businesses that want flexibility in how they bill clients. Plus, FreshBooks supports recurring invoices and client retainers, a lifesaver for anyone with regular clients. For instance, if you're a graphic designer working on monthly projects for a few clients, FreshBooks can automate the entire billing process for you. And with automatic payment reminders, FreshBooks helps ensure you're never left waiting for client payments. QuickBooks matches FreshBooks in invoicing flexibility, but brings extra layers suited for more complex needs. Not only does QuickBooks offer custom invoices, but it also provides tools like recurring transactions and the ability to convert estimates into invoices. A handy feature here is that QuickBooks users can track progress billing, which breaks down large projects into smaller, billable stages. This setup is great for businesses handling long-term projects or larger customer accounts. FreshBooks' approach to expense tracking is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, which caters to users who may not have a strong background in accounting. For example, with FreshBooks Lite, you can track unlimited expenses, manage receipt data, and run reports that help simplify tax time. FreshBooks even lets you email receipts directly to your account, so all transactions are saved without any extra work. It's an excellent choice for smaller operations that don't need advanced expense management, but value ease and simplicity. QuickBooks expands on these basics with added detail. It offers automated bank imports, which means expenses flow directly from your bank to QuickBooks, so you don't miss any transactions. QuickBooks also has tools for handling vendor payments and bill tracking, which makes it ideal for businesses with several suppliers. And if your company needs to manage multiple currencies, QuickBooks has that covered too, which makes it helpful for businesses dealing with international clients or vendors. FreshBooks shines in time tracking and project management, particularly for client-based businesses. With FreshBooks, you can track billable hours directly under each project, which ensures no time goes unbilled. If you're a consultant working on several client projects, FreshBooks lets you track your time easily and attach those hours to your invoices. For teams, the platform even offers the option to add team members for a small fee, so everyone can track their hours on shared projects. QuickBooks also includes time tracking, though it functions slightly differently. QuickBooks offers its time tracking features through its Essentials and Plus plans. For businesses needing advanced employee time tracking, QuickBooks Time, an additional service, offers premium features like geofencing and shift scheduling. This is particularly valuable for companies with hourly employees or contractors working at various locations. By integrating with QuickBooks Time, businesses can track time more precisely, which makes payroll and invoicing simpler. When it comes to reporting, FreshBooks keeps things straightforward, offering only essential reports like profit and loss, expense summaries, and tax-related reports. For small businesses that simply need to get a high-level view of their finances without the complexity of a detailed analysis, FreshBooks is a great fit. Its reports are easy to access and digest, ideal for users who may not have a background in accounting. QuickBooks, however, takes reporting to another stage. With more customizable options, QuickBooks lets users generate in-depth financial reports personalized to specific business needs. Businesses that require more detailed insights into profitability, budgeting, and cash flow will appreciate QuickBooks' depth here. QuickBooks Advanced plans even allow for custom reporting fields, which is essential for medium-sized businesses with varied revenue streams or specific reporting needs. FreshBooks offers a clean, intuitive mobile app that allows users to handle basic functions like invoicing and expense tracking on the go. Freelancers and small business owners who work remotely will find this app particularly convenient. It's designed to give users a snapshot of their business finances without overwhelming them with options. Whether you're at a coffee shop or meeting a client, you can send invoices, track time, and check project status from anywhere. QuickBooks mobile app is also highly functional, but includes a broader range of features. Users can manage expenses, check inventory, and run essential reports directly from the app. For businesses that need to manage multiple financial tasks on the go, QuickBooks app offers that flexibility, and it's great for keeping up with day-to-day tasks no matter where you are. Payroll is a major differentiator between the two platforms. FreshBooks doesn't currently offer a native payroll service, but partners with Gusto for those who need it. This is a convenient solution for small businesses that need to manage payroll without dealing with complicated tax compliance issues on their own. In contrast, QuickBooks provides built-in payroll options, which makes it a strong contender for businesses with employees. With payroll as an add-on service, QuickBooks users can manage everything from direct deposits to tax filing within the same platform. QuickBooks payroll tiers offer flexibility, so businesses can choose a level that matches their payroll needs, whether they have one employee or many. For FreshBooks, the pricing is straightforward, with tiered plans that accommodate small business needs. The Lite plan, at $9.50 per month, allows for up to 5 clients and unlimited invoices. For businesses with a larger client base, the Plus plan costs $16.50 per month and allows up to 50 clients. For unlimited clients and additional features like project profitability tracking, FreshBooks offers its premium plan at $30 per month. For larger teams or those requiring exclusive support, FreshBooks provides a select plan with customized pricing. QuickBooks offers a broader range of features at a higher starting price. The Simple Start plan, at $9 per month, provides essential accounting tools, while Essentials at $14 per month includes multi-user access and time tracking. For businesses needing inventory management and project profitability tracking, the Plus plan at $20 per month is ideal. Finally, for businesses that need maximum control over workflows and reporting, QuickBooks Advanced plan costs $38 per month and includes advanced automation and custom reports. Both FreshBooks and QuickBooks bring a variety of features to the table, each catering to different types of businesses. FreshBooks, with its simple tools and ease of use, is an excellent choice for small service-based businesses looking for simplicity. QuickBooks, with its advanced reporting, inventory management, and payroll options, is well-suited for businesses ready to manage more complex financials. Choosing the right platform depends on the specific needs of your business and how detailed you want your financial management to be.